Hi guys! 10:45 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brother and family and friends sa pong pinagpalang Miyerkules po sa inyong lahat, ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi Chimen, Yijing and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? Opo, we're now here in Malaysia. Ano po, sharpening the saw. So we're here for the Chimen Club meetings and of course yung pong ating pong mga upgrades in terms of Chimen. Forecasting, ano po, and new things po that one or the other po in the days ahead, i-share ko po sa inyo. So again, of course, our platform, again, yung pa rin po, yung pa rin expectation for the day, mga game changers, and of course, yung mga Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, tomorrow, let's check, June 20. So ito po ay the day of the, okay, let's check po though I don't have the yung ating pong book, no, pero pa rin po tayo nito. Okay, let us check po. Isa-isahin po natin. Bear with me po, wala tayong mga gadget ngayon. Pero I made the point na share with you yung journey po natin po sa metaphysics. Okay, so tomorrow is the day of the tiger. Looking at ito pong kaya sa notes po ni Grandmaster Tan Kong Yong is that the luckiest is the pig, and of course tiger clash with the monkey. So challenging tomorrow ang monkey. So suitable for, ganda. Suitable for all activities, BFF. Nothing to avoid, ang ganda nito. Now let's check the animal sign. Rat is not so good. Ox is average, tiger is very good, rabbit is average, dragon and snake not so good. Horse is very good, goat average, monkey not so good, rooster is average, dog and pig very good. Wow, nice. Of course, suitable for all activities. Gusto natin, i-10x natin po yan. How do we do it? We use the daily chimen. Ayan. So nga po pala, happy birthday to Brother Junior Warden Melvin. Kuya Melvin, happy birthday sa'yo and more blessings. Okay, tingnan natin. Let us see. Yung pong daily chimen natin, BFF. Opo. Bilis po. Ngayon, Webis na po, tomorrow. Then, thank God na naman po, it's Friday. So, let's check BFF. Okay. Then, ayan. Okay. So, June 26. Actually, nag-type ko na kanina, game changer BFF is back into Southeast. Why? Where there's the life door, there's the Green Dragon, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen out of 1,080 structure. 540 sa yin, 540 sa yang. Ganda. Then may absolute support ka pa. So ito'y back into Southeast. For wisdom, make a good decision tomorrow. Back sa Southwest. If you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, has to do with heart-to-heart talk, negotiations, tao sa tao, talikod sa West. And ito po naman, another flying bird fall into cave. The number 2 most auspicious structure in Chimen. May absolute power din. You can also attract helpful people, talikod sa Northwest. BFF, dito pa lang sa back sa Southeast and back into Northwest. Okay na. Excuse me, BFF. And then, we have for the opportunities, talikod po sa Northeast. And for good health, medyo makatipula lang muna natin. Talikod naman sa East. Excuse me, BFF. Yan po, BFF, So, I'll keep it short. My voice now, of course, kanina nag-participate tayo. Going for the win, So, let's stick first with the daily chimen. And since mayroon naman tayong Green Dragon the whole day, starting maming 11 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. the next day. So, Green Dragon, talikod sa Southeast. And Flying Bird fall into cave, talikod naman sa Northwest. Again, BFF, thank you so much for the continued support. Sa mga likes nyo po, again, our exchange of energies is like and share. Maybe someone out there will be needing this kind of information. Again, BFF, let's continue to pray for each other, for we do not know if our BFF is in, not feeling well, or they are in financial troubles, or depressed. Let's continue to pray for them. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless. Good night and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.